Hidden amidst the lush green hills of northeastern India lies the enchanting state of Meghalaya, often referred to as the Abode of Clouds. While it's well known for its breathtaking landscapes and unique living root bridges, Meghalaya holds some fascinating secrets. Did you know that it receives the highest annual rainfall in the world? The village of Mawsynram in Meghalaya holds this remarkable record, where residents experience a remarkable 467 inches of rainfall each year, transforming the region into a surreal, emerald paradise. Beyond its meteorological fame, Meghalaya also boasts an incredible cultural mosaic. One of its most intriguing aspects is the matrilineal society prevalent among many of its tribes, such as the Khasi and Garo. In these societies, lineage and inheritance are passed down through the mother's side, resulting in a unique system where women often hold significant roles in the family and community. Meghalaya is also home to a hidden musical treasure, the nose flute. This traditional musical instrument, crafted from bamboo, is played using the nose, producing hauntingly beautiful tunes that have been passed down through generations. It's a unique cultural tradition that you won't find elsewhere. While exploring Meghalaya, don't forget to sample its delectable cuisine. One of the state's hidden culinary gems is the jaddo, a flavorful dish made with rice, meat, and an assortment of spices. Meghalaya's cuisine is a delightful blend of indigenous flavors and influences from neighboring regions. So, whether you're an adventurer seeking the wonders of living root bridges, a culture enthusiast intrigued by matrilineal societies, or a foodie eager to savor new tastes, Meghalaya has a treasure trove of surprises waiting to be uncovered.